In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Google Play Store payment method. If you've ever changed cards or just want to tidy up your account, removing an old payment method from the Play Store is quick and straightforward. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in on the Android phone with the Google account you use for Play purchases and that you have a reliable internet connection. Start by opening the Google Play Store app. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon to open your account menu. From there, choose Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Payment Methods. This is where you can view the ways you pay for apps, games, and subscriptions. Next, tap More Payment Settings. This option hands things off to your browser and takes you to the Google Pay page for your account. If prompted, sign in with the same Google account you use in the Play Store. Once the Google Pay page loads, look through the list of payment methods on your account and find the one you want to remove. When you've identified the correct card or bank account, tap Remove. You'll see a confirmation prompt. Tap Remove again to confirm. After a moment, that payment method will be deleted from your account and it will no longer appear in your Play Store payment options. A couple of important reminders as you do this. You can't remove a payment method that's currently tied to an active subscription. If a subscription is still billing to that card, switch the subscription to another payment method or wait until it's no longer active before trying again. You also can't remove your only payment method in some cases. If that happens, add another one first and then come back to remove the old card. And once you remove it, Google won't be able to charge that card anymore for future purchases or renewals. If you don't immediately see the change in the Play Store, give it a few moments and refresh the payment methods screen. Cleaning up outdated cards is a good way to prevent payment declines and avoid confusion at checkout. That's all it takes to delete a payment method in the Google Play Store. Play Store, profile icon, payments and subscriptions, payment methods, more payment settings, and remove. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you keep your account up to date.